This video explains how to complete the information literacy assignment. First, click on the information literacy folder. You'll see some information about information literacy to prepare you for the assignment. Please make sure that you go through that. And here's the actual assignment. The following activity requires you to evaluate the validity and credibility of sources when researching information. Not only is this an important skill to develop for academic purposes, but it is also a benchmark of effective citizenship that encourages students to question news sources and opinions on current events. So you're going to watch this video before you begin this assignment, and then you'll follow the steps. Step 1 is to select a current event or issue that is a hot topic right now, and here are some examples. Step 2 is to find articles via Cincinnati State's library. You'll do that by clicking here. It says the next step is in the above the search box, select articles. So if I scroll down and hit search articles, now I'm ready to enter my hot topic. So let's use gun control as an example. You may be asked, if you're offline, you'll be asked to enter your Cincinnati State 7-digit college ID, which is your student ID number. And here you'll see a list of articles on gun control. Now let's go back to look at the steps again. So you're going to select 2 articles. One will be from the news or a magazine. So if you click news and magazine, you can select any of the following articles that have a full PDF text. So once you find an article that you're interested in, you'll open it up and save it. Then you'll search for your next article. The next article is to be a journal or academic journal. So remove the news and the magazine. And we'll go with academic journals. And here's your list of academic journals. And just as you did with the previous article, you'll find one that interests you, you'll save it. And then you'll evaluate both of the articles using the CRAP method, which is explained in the above video. When you click here, this is a Word document. It'll open up to the template in which you'll use to complete this assignment. For your first article, you'll paste your citation here, followed by what you found out about each category of the CRAP method, and summary and comparison. You'll save this to your computer and submit through the link, through the assignment link, which is here. Please read the rubric before you submit. And again, just attach your file and submit. So a couple other things about this assignment. For citing sources, please feel free to use any of the aforementioned links here. They will help you correctly format your citations. Also, notice the chat button, the chat feature. or there is a chat feature that pops up into your account if you need to use that, so you can ask a librarian when the chat box is on if they're available. Okay, that is the information literacy assignment. One last thing. Here are sample assignments to review before you complete the assignment.